guys, welcome to Amsterdam. We are here for AJAX versus Panathinaikos, a repeat of the 1971 UEFA Champions League final. It is only a pre-season friendly, but before we go to the game, let's check out what Amsterdam has to offer.
Ladies and gentlemen, hello! Welcome to Amsterdam!
You gonna say hi?
It's a Chelsea fan. Chelsea! We're about to hit 10,000 subscribers on the George Benson football channel. The Flet. What? Boca Coffee Roasters, best coffee in Amsterdam. I feel like it's 1995 and I'm sat at a bus stop somewhere in the rain, or just finished the rain, with a beer in my hand, with my Adidas Originals on. Oh, Millwall. Celery! Celery! We're lost!
Yeah, me too! Hello, can you help us? Hey, can you help us?
Alright, so after the most ridiculous journey here, we've actually made it to the festival. This was a complete fluke. That's enough fun for one day. Back to the football. Wish Bakayoko could do that. So I thought I would get Nadine here on the channel today because last season we saw an incredible season from AJAX. What did it mean for you as an AJAX fan to see such a great team last season?
I think we are a really good team. It was like it was meant to be. It was like one.
Yeah.
How do you say that? Everything fits, you know.
Despite the trophy not coming back to Amsterdam, did it almost feel like there was a bigger victory to be had last season?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah. And indeed, this hoodie they made because it was like a special couple of players. So I bought it. It's really nice.
So obviously you mentioned the hoodie is for a special couple of players.
Yeah.
I think we all know who those special players are, but to you personally, Nadine, is there anybody that you really felt just drove it home last year? Who was the special players for AJAX?
But for me, I think Frankie de Jong.
Frankie de Jong.
Who made a wonderful transfer to Barcelona, of course.
At any point, did you genuinely believe last season you were actually going to win the Champions League?
Everyone was like, oh my God, just in a couple of seconds, we're in the final. And then it was like, but until that moment, I believed like we're going to the final. And yes, we're gonna have a chance to win.
Do you think that AJAX can build upon what you had last season? Or is it more of a case now of realistic expectations? Last year was a great year.
Yeah, it's really difficult to be like on the same level again.
Yeah.
But why not? Why not? We're in a good flow and everyone is watching AJAX.
And in terms of the game, Lawrence and I are going to watch AJAX versus Panathinaikos.
Yeah.
It's a very small arena, 7,000. What can we expect? Even though it's a friendly, are the fans still going to be like really there and giving it everything?
Yeah, it's a really special stadium. I was there last year against Anderlecht, and it's so much history and so intimate.
If you can get hold of tickets to an AJAX match, €20. It's a bit different to the Premier League in terms of the prices. Much better for the football fan. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Today's the 23rd of July 2019. Yesterday was the 22nd of July 2019. The day where AJAX were playing Panathinaikos, but I, stupidly, bought tickets thinking it was today. So we're going to AJAX versus Panathinaikos.
Boom, fantastic.
Boom.
Boom.
Nobody in the stadium, no football going on because AJAX have already lost 2-1 to Panathinaikos. And to make matters worse, it was Federico Makeda who scored the goals for Panathinaikos. would have been a repeat of a final hosted at Wembley in 1971. And for 7,000 fans, we thought we would be two of them, but instead I'm literally only here during a perfect sunset to explain to you how stupid I've been. The sun is setting over the river. Amsterdam has been absolutely beautiful. This video today was supposed to be, it kind of still has been, the beginning of a football-focused travel element to my future videos here on my main channel. Some of you may know, some of you may not know, I've started a daily upload football channel where I basically just sit in front of the camera talking about football every single day at 5 PM. And this video was meant to be the main channel video after a week of making videos in Amsterdam. I did a Q&A with Nadine, who's been in this video, but we've got the full video over on the football channel if you want to watch the whole thing. It was like a 15-minute discussion, sat down with Nadine, just talking about Ajax last season, talking about the future and stuff. Amsterdam has been amazing. We wanted to top it off by going to the game against Panathinaikos. I stupidly, there's absolutely no excuse for that. There's also no excuse for wearing a Chelsea hat and an Ajax scarf in the same video at the same time, but these things happen. It is what it is. It's okay. It's a heat wave in England. I don't even need a scarf. What am I talking about? But yeah, that wraps up this video. Thank you guys for watching. Sorry we didn't get to go to the game. I hope you enjoyed watching the little clips anyway. Amsterdam has been sick. Be sure to subscribe to the football channel. Link in the description for daily videos. And the next time I post here on this channel, we're going to be going to Reading, my hometown, to watch Chelsea play there. It's going to be a lot of match-focused vlogs with travel here on the channel moving forward. Thank you guys for watching. I will catch you all later. Bye-bye. How many tourist points do I get right now?
100. Chelsea hat, Ajax scarf.
Look, that's where Donny van der Beek would have been eating his lunch yesterday. And that you're coming back again.
For me.
For me.
Wow.
Wow.
Because I have Jesus in my heart.
Wow, William.
How does Lawrence become William?